Yo, what's happening? It's Lane. We out here doing math.
Today we are going to demonstrate how set theory works, which means a set is a collection of objects, nothing more and nothing less.
Here are our sets. What set will represent L union to A intersecting N? So we have to get these ones in common, see what's in common together. So it would be 20 and correction. It would be this 20 and then 40. And then once we have that, we would know that 20 and 40 are both needed to be added in L. So we would write this whole thing and include 20 and 40, which would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 40, and that would be your answer. Sorry for the messiness.
Another way of doing it would be done by using a Venn diagram. So the numbers would be 10, 30, and 50. In the middle would be 20 and 40. And the other side would be 60, 80, and 100. We got these numbers from the previous set listed. The middle of the Venn diagram is what A and N have in common. You then add them to set L, which would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 40.
What set represents L intersecting N? If we use Venn diagram, this circle right here represents L, and this circle right here represents N. So you know this is L and this is N. So like now we put 5, 10, 15, and 25 in the circle right here. And then over here on N we write 40 and 60 and 80 and 100. And we put like 20 in the middle. Alright, so the answer after you do all that is this, watch. You get 20. And that equals L intersecting N. See, forget all that.
Remember to stay in your lane. From Luis,
Ashley,
Niko,
And Enrique.
ciao. Hee hee.